Wow, what a crazy week. When we were confronted with the challenge of how to cross the Darien Gap, I didn't think that it would look like postcard paradise. It also means that I've now ticked off another one of my 34 30s, spending a whole week at sea. We left in the late afternoon from Cartagena in Colombia after picking up some seasick medication and valuable sun cream and packing everything we would need on the boat, which turned out to actually just be one pair of board shorts and our Kindles. We had a 36-hour crossing to the San Blas Islands, which was on a lumpy open sea. But actually it wasn't too bad. The hardest part of the crossing was trying to sleep below deck with 19 other bodies that turned the place into an absolute furnace. Either I'm pathetic or we were in a particularly bad spot, but I ended up having to sleep on the deck before I sweated myself to death. The stars were out and this was really beautiful. I think that at this point I might even have said to Phoebe that I was officially having the best holiday ever. Halfway through the crossing, we were surprised with the chance to dive into the open sea, which was spectacular. There was a bit of swell in the water and we couldn't see land in any direction. The water also below us was 3 kilometers deep. When we finally arrived at the islands, they were absolutely stunning. The sun was out, the sand was white, and the water was crystal clear. We filled the days drinking a million beers, reading our books, and playing lots and lots of games. The crowd was really sweet, and it was really nice making some friends over the course of a few days for once. Normally we make friends for the evening, and then have to cycle on the day after. This was the best border crossing we have had so far, and I would totally recommend it to anyone considering. Panama was a combination of not too interesting roads with some great waves. Unfortunately, I didn't film too much, so can't show off how good they were. We have recently crossed the border into Costa Rica and have had a taster of the magic that the coast can offer. The name wasn't lying, the Costa really is Rica.